Bremen is one of the most fascinating cities in northern Germany, blending centuries of history with a lively modern atmosphere. Situated along the river Weser, the city has long been an important center of trade and culture. Its history stretches back over 1,200 years, beginning as a mission settlement in the early Middle Ages. By the 12th century, Bremen had grown into a flourishing Hanseatic city, playing a major role in the powerful Hanseatic League, the medieval trade network that connected merchants across northern Europe. This mercantile tradition is still reflected in the city's architecture, traditions, and proud sense of independence. At the heart of Bremen lies the magnificent market square, one of the most beautiful in Germany. Here you can admire the UNESCO World Heritage-listed Town Hall, a masterpiece of Gothic and Renaissance design, alongside the towering Roland Statue, which has stood since 1404 as a symbol of the city's freedom. The Bremen Cathedral, with its imposing twin spires, adds a spiritual dimension to the square, inviting visitors to step inside and experience its centuries-old history. Perhaps the most famous symbol of Bremen, however, is the statue of the Bremen Town Musicians, inspired by the Brothers Grimm fairy tale. Visitors from all over the world come to touch the bronze donkey's legs for good luck, making it a charming highlight of the city. Exploring further, Bremen offers a unique mix of old and new. In contrast, the Böttcherstrasse is a striking example of expressionist architecture from the early 20th century, blending art, culture, and commerce into a single vibrant street. For those interested in science and modern experiences, Universum Bremen is a must-visit. This futuristic museum allows visitors to explore the wonders of nature, technology, and the universe in interactive ways, making it a favorite for families and curious minds. The city also has a rich maritime heritage, and the Übersee Museum showcases fascinating exhibits on natural history, ethnology, and trade connections with distant lands, reflecting Bremen's role as an international port. The river Weser itself offers plenty of opportunities for leisure. Strolling along the Schlachte Promenade, you can enjoy lively beer gardens, restaurants, and historic ships moored along the quay. River cruises provide another perspective of the city and highlight Bremen's connection to trade and travel. Bremen is also well known for its festivals and events. The Freimarkt, held every October, is one of the oldest fairs in Germany, dating back to 1035. It combines traditional rides, food stalls, and lively music with a festive spirit that fills the entire city. The Christmas market is another magical experience, transforming the market square into a winter wonderland of lights, crafts, and seasonal treats. Food and drink play an important role in Bremen's culture as well. The city is famous for its beer, especially Beck's, which has been brewed here for more than 140 years, and offers brewery tours for visitors. Traditional dishes like Knip, a regional specialty made from oats and meat, or freshly baked Bremer Kleben, a rich fruit loaf, give you a real taste of local flavor. Beyond the city center, green spaces like Burger Park and Rhododendron Park provide relaxing escapes into nature. Whether you are walking, cycling, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, Bremen offers plenty of ways to unwind. Altogether, Bremen is a city that captures the imagination with its mix of fairy tales, history, culture, and modern life. From medieval alleys and UNESCO landmarks to science museums and lively riverfronts, there is something here for every visitor. It is a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that is both authentic and welcoming. Bremen is not just a city to visit, but one to experience deeply, leaving lasting impressions and stories to take home.